Now get this hub nut done up. I've checked the guidelines. It's 125 Newton meters of torque plus a quarter of a turn. So I basically do it up with the small brake bar, as tight as I can get it. And then when I can't move it anymore, I'll get an extension bar on it. And do it up as tight as it will go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it for a little test run, a little test spin, and just make sure that it's all seated correctly, because sometimes when you're on the weight of your own wheel, when the wheel's on the weight of the car, you've got like nearly 2 tons or whatever, or 1.5 tons sat on a wheel, you know, and you're trying to, you know, you've got a big surface like this and you're trying to push something that way and it's on rubber. Obviously the rubber's designed not to really go anywhere, isn't it? Slide across tarmac. So that's exactly what we're going to do now. Is we're going to go for a quick run, make sure it's all alright, and if it is going to move, it'll hopefully move back in place. I'll not put the hub cover back on yet until I come back, and then yeah, stay tuned.